how to transfer app from old phone to new phone without Wi-Fi. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can transfer apps from old phones to new phones without Wi-Fi, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the thing over here is that to do this process, you don't need Wi-Fi, you don't need any third-party applications that you might want to download. Depending upon your old phone and new phone, you can see I will also turn off my Wi-Fi just to make sure. Just open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, tap the profile icon, then go to Manage Apps and Devices. When you go to Manage Apps and Devices, here you can see the option that says Share Apps. So Play Store basically allows you to share apps between two phones without having to install any third-party apps. So you can just tap the Send option from your primary phone, make sure you allow all the access, and on your another phone, you just have to tap the Receive option there, and then it will show you the sender after you hit the Send option. And then after that, you will be able to transfer apps between these two devices without any network connections. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.